Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about decimal. Right. Here you see we'll discuss about decimal. About we'll discuss about decimal. I find we have made a table and try to understand what is the meaning of this. Right. Here you see we have written here that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and this is some number. And here in the decimal part you see that is tenth means 1 by 10, hundredth means 1 by 100, and thousands means 1 by 1000. It is 1 by 1000, right? 1 by 1000. This is 1 by 10, 100, and this is 1 by 10, right? This is the decimal part. The whole part is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, right? Here you see the first number is 0.7. I mean this is in ones place 0. We can put in ones place it is 0. Ones place we have to write 0. And in tenth place it is 7. You see this is tenth place. Therefore 7 will be in the tenth place. Right? Now 1 to 5. 1. That means you find the place value. The place value of 1 is ones. Right? That means we have to write ones here. Ones. This is 1. And the place value of 2 is tenth. That is 2 by 10. That is here 10th, that is 2, and the place value of 5 is 100, that means it is 100. Place value of 5 is 100th, 1 by 100. Next one is here you see 25.375, that means ones place is 5, ones place is 5, tens place is 2, and 3 is the 10th place, 3 is the 10th place, and 7 in the 100th place, and 5 is the thousandth place, thousandth th. 5 is the thousandth place. In the same way, 165.125, 165.125. You have to find the place value, right? This is this is 165.125. Now here you see the place value of 5 is ones, the place value of 5 is ones, the place value of 6 is tens, the place value of 1 is hundreds, and point 1, 1 is the place value of tenth, 2 is the place value of hundredth, and 5 is the place value of thousands. Right? What you understand that tenth means 1 by tenth, hundredth means 1 by 100, and thousandth means 1 by 1000. And this is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means from here to here, this is the whole part, and this is the decimal part, right? This is the whole part, and this is the decimal part. In this way, we can find the various place value of the decimals, right? Now this is the decimal, right? Beside that, we will discuss some point. Suppose this is the chart of decimal, how to put the place value in decimal, right? Here you see this is the decimal part, from that is tenth is 1 by 10, hundredth is 1 by 100, and thousand means 1 by 1000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, right? This is the whole part, and this is the decimal part is tenth, hundred, thousands. In this way, you have to put all the number in a chart. Okay, dear friends, this is the how we can put the number in a decimal chart. In this way, you can point out whether the decimals, the are divided into two part. One is whole part and decimal part, right? Decimal part is 10th, 100, 1000, and whole part is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. Okay, dear friends, next in the next video we shall solve some problems of NCERT, right? Thank you.